Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I finally have a new video. It's actually a video I've been wanting to film for a really long time, but I tried to film this maybe like 2 weeks ago when my hair was actually a little bit more fresh, and I hated it. Like, I was not happy with what was coming out, so I just kind of turned the camera off and I went to sleep, and I was like, I'll just do this next time. But today I have a video talking about my hair. It's actually something that so many people have been asking for me to film. I just don't know why I haven't done it. I suck at this. So yeah, I'm finally here. I don't want to make this video too long like I usually do, so I'm just gonna go ahead and just get started. And quick disclaimer before I get started, I just want to throw it out there that everybody has different hair. What works for me might not work for you. Everybody has different texture, different amounts of hair, etc. Oh my god, Amber Alert. Yeah, so hopefully these tips are very helpful for you guys, and I hope you guys enjoy. And also shout out to my hairstylist at Made in Color from Hair Punks. She's the one that's been touching my hair for the past almost 5 years, and everything that I've learned from her. I am not patient with hair whatsoever. I don't think I could ever be a hairstylist, so I thank her so much for taking the time to teach me all this, and kind of helps me help you guys too, so shout out to her. So I want to get started with the brand Olaplex, and Olaplex is very popular. Honestly, I don't know if my hair would be this soft if it wasn't for Olaplex. I literally at this point cannot live without Olaplex. So first item I want to talk about is Olaplex number 3. This is the hair perfector. This is a bond builder, and basically the way that you use this, you're going to use this before shampooing and conditioning your hair. This is something that I actually use very little of. I don't use this all the time unless my hair is really struggling to repair itself after some bleaching or a new hair look, etc. I basically use this maybe once a week, but you can use this 2 to 3 times a week depending how damaged your hair is. And basically every time I use this, it's just, I swear it's such a miracle. It almost kind of brings back your split ends, and it just feels so soft after using this. So I do highly recommend this. I'm actually almost out, so I do need a new one, but yeah, number 3 Olaplex. With Olaplex you kind of just go step by step. This is number 4, which is the shampoo, and this is number 5, which is the conditioner. And I just recently got new bottles. I just ran out of my old bottles, so yeah, the bottles actually come a little small, but a little bit goes a really long way. And yeah, it does last me a while, to be honest, especially with dyed, like with hair colored hair. You actually shouldn't be washing your hair all that often if you have it bleached. And if you have it hair dyed, like color dyed, you kind of just end up washing off your hair color faster. So to be honest, I go about 3 to 4 days. 4 days is usually what I do without washing my hair, and it's only because I don't want it to dry out, and I don't want my hair color to come off as easily. So that doesn't mean you shouldn't shower. I'm just saying you shouldn't be washing your hair too often. Next 2 items I want to show you guys are Redken items. I was pretty obsessed with the Redken shampoo and conditioner. It's actually the same color. It's sulfate free and all that stuff, but you know, my hairstylist was actually hooking me up with these, so I ended up getting hooked on these. Yeah, I'll go ahead and use this whenever my hair just needs a little extra pampering and it feels a little extra dry and stuff like that. So I go ahead and use this before I shampoo and condition, and it just makes my hair super soft and it smells so good. As well as this guy here. This guy is an all-in-one multi-benefit treatment. So this as well helps my hair stay very nice and soft. And yeah, you kind of just spray this right after, I think. Yeah, so you go ahead and use this right after you've done shampoo and conditioner, and this just kind of gives it like that extra silky soft finish. And yeah, it helps with split ends as well. And unfortunately with bleach, you're gonna get some you know, damage there, especially, sorry. Especially, I just put another one in my mouth and I want to talk. Like I was saying, with bleach, you're gonna have to expect some sort of damage. Bleach is bleach. We cannot stop the damage from coming through, but you can stop it from getting worse. So yeah, helps with your split end. Next item I want to talk about is this guy here. I'm still not sure what the brand of this is. I'm barely like kind of really staring into this, but it says Intercellular Hair Polisher Olive Moisturizing Shine Serum. So this here I've been using for years and years, literally since I've been like 5. And it's something that my mom's always used since I was little. The way that we've always used this is when you get out of the shower, I put this on and then I just rub it into my hair, and it like, when my hair dries, it's extra, like it's nice and soft. It doesn't feel dry. And this is something that I don't think I'll ever stop using because I'm just so used to using this, and it just comes through. Like literally it hasn't disappointed me ever. And I actually need a new bottle of this, but basically it says you apply it on damp hair, apply 4 to 6 drops to hair, and on dry hair apply 3 to 5 drops to hair. So basically you can use this when your hair is wet or dry. I usually use it, I always use it after I've gotten out of the shower, and then sometimes like if I've like waved my hair like this with the straightener, or I've curled my hair, I'll go ahead and use a few drops right after, and then I like swirl my palms, and then I just kind of rub it in, and it just kind of takes away like that that dryish look, and it kind of brings your flyaways together too. So yeah, right now it just feels so soft. I did this earlier, and my hair is freshly washed, so it doesn't feel or look dry. So another Olaplex product, this is the number 7 bonding oil, and this guy is actually fairly new. My hairstylist put me on this, and basically it's for whenever you're going to be using heat to your hair, like curling, straightening, waving, whatever it is. I mean, technically we should always be using some sort of heat protectant when we do put heat in our hair, regardless if your hair is bleached or not. But whenever it is bleached, it's even more important for you to use something like this. And it's so tiny, and I've been using it since Thanksgiving, and I can't believe how much I still have in there. But the thing is, you literally just need a tiny bit because it goes such a long way. And the way that I use this is I go ahead and part my hair in half. So I do this, and then I'll go ahead and use it on the bottom half, and then I'll use it on the top half, so that every no matter how like thick your hair is, I still want it to get in there. You get me? If that makes sense. But yeah, basically this guy protects your hair from the highest heat in your hair straightener or your hair curler. And yeah, literally this is another guy that I don't think I'll be able to stop using. Okay, last but not least, one more item I wanted to bring up is the ADH Dry Pomade. And basically this helps with your flyaways, your little baby hairs. I usually get them right here, my bangs. So there's 2 types of these. There's one that's like shiny, and then there's one that's matte, and this is the one that's matte. I don't usually like any pomade that's shiny, only because I already use a lot of like, you know, oils and stuff that like will do the shine for me. I don't need any more shine. So yeah, this guy, you only need a tiny bit. I've had this for a really long time, and yeah, it always comes through whenever I have little baby hairs that are like just bothering me. And Charlie was the one that actually put me on this. He's a barber, and yeah, he really likes this. So I usually just need a little bit of it, but yeah, if you have short hair, it also kind of helps kind of give your hair a little bit of texture too. I think that's pretty much it for the products that I use for my hair. With the straightener and curler, I don't really use anything super specific or fancy or anything like that. I actually have them away, so I'm too lazy to grab them. But with my hair straightener, I just use a Revlon one, and for my curler, I use a Hot Tools one. And yeah, they work perfectly fine. I think as long as I'm using the product that I need, I think I'm good to go. But yeah, another question that I get a lot is how often do I get my hair done? And I usually go every month, if not every other month. Sometimes I don't get to go every month, only because my hairstylist and my schedule doesn't really align sometimes, but I try my best to go every other month if I can. And so basically what we do is my roots, she puts in a treatment for my hair, and yeah, we just get some ideas going for what kind of hair colors I like. I don't really ever have anything specific in mind when I go get my hair colors. I kind of just go by whatever Raina comes up with, and I'm usually always down. And whenever I choose something specific, it's because it's like my birthday or like a special event or something. But yeah, usually she's the one that comes up with my hairstyles, and I love them. She uses a hair dye called Pulp Riot, and yeah, it literally leaves my hair looking nice and vibrant, and the way that it fades is so nice. The more my hair fades, the more I fall in love with it. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful. I'm gonna go ahead and leave my hairstylist information down below so that you guys can check out her work if you guys ever want to book her. She is amazing, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.